I, Chris, take you, Tia, to be my wife, my partner in life, my one true love. I will cherish our friendship and love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
Na ke aloha e kau kalei ku poli Na uku makana aloha e Ke aina e pula mamai I loko kunau Na ke akua e malamau
I will trust you, honor you, and never forget that you are the prize. I will laugh with you, cry with you, and faithfully love you through the good times and the bad. Whatever may come, I will always be there. Today I give you my hand to hold, my life to share, and my heart to keep. I love you, Tia. Forever is truly not long enough.
Chris, the last year and a half with you have been the happiest that I've been for a very long time. It made me feel more loved than I ever thought was possible. You're my soulmate and dream come true. Today, I give you all that I am and all that I have. I choose you today, tomorrow, and every day after that for the rest of our lives. You are my once in a lifetime, and forever will never be long enough for me to feel like I've had long enough with you. I love you.
And watch us where we go, and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer when we lose our way. Lead us to a place, guide us with your grace, to a place where we'll be safe. Pray we'll find your light and hold it in our when stars go out each night. Let this be our prayer when shadows fill our day.
Lead us to a place,
Guide us with your grace.
give us faith so we'll be safe. Sogniamo un mondo senza più violenza, un mondo di giustizia, di speranza. Ognuno
All our souls.
Let this be our
Let this be your prayer.
just like every child.
Just like every child.
Lead us to your grace. Guide us with your grace.
Tia and Chris, may you be rewarded every step of your path by the light of your love. May you be shined upon always in goodness and in kindness. And may you reap what you sow abundantly. May love adorn you like the leis that you wear today. And may they always follow you. Thanks to pronounce you husband and wife. And Chris, you get to kiss your beautiful bride.
Inside of my soul, it's the one that I tried to write over and over. I'm awake in the infinite cold, but you sing to me over and over and over again. So I lay my head back down and I lift my hands and pray to be only yours. I pray to be only yours. I know now you're my only.
Girl, tell me only this, that I have your heart for always, and you want me by your side, whispering the words, I'll always love you. And forever.
xã trên đầu nó nói ra nó thì nó sẽ khắp là một cái và kê là mà cái xin lỗi một cái ta hiện nó đang ngày nó cứ chỉ một cú là
And I know
cái phòng khá chụp hình phòng rong sức
really care.
nó nói nên nó cái là kêu là rong sức là nó trong
Be there. Truly, truly in love with you, girl. I'm truly head over heels with your love.
Giả sử yêu thì yêu tổ yêu tiền là yêu chủ bao thì yêu chủ chỉ chủ nào chủ nghĩa chủ nào thì chỉ một từ từ phần này nhau có thể phụ sư giờ có ý lần nữa sư phụ khó nào cái tiền đi khó
Forever
lưng
could never be long enough for me. Feel like I've had long enough with you. Forget the world now, we won't let them see. But there's one thing left to do. Now that the weight has lifted, love has surely shifted my way. Marry me today and every day. Marry me if I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe. Say you will. Say you will.
I'm so very blessed to have you as a sister from another mother
Just know that I'm always here for you no matter what, and you can always count on me. Chris, you are the man. You know you are. You're so lucky to find a friend and a love of a lifetime. Tia is very dear to me, you know that. So please treasure her. Take care of her heart. But remember to have fun while doing all of that.
I've never had a stepsister before or a stepmom, but I'm definitely happy that Chloe's my stepsister and Tia is my stepmom. I think I speak for both me and my sister that we could not have chosen a better stepsister or stepmom myself. I always hear him say how he thinks he found his soulmate and but now I'm really starting to think he really did find his soulmate, and knowing that makes me happy.
So to begin your new journey, your next adventure together, please remember to be kind to one another, love unconditionally, and have fun because life is too short to take seriously. Wishing you many blessings. I love you both.